What is Fiverr and why should you choose Fiverr as your first freelancing choice? Fiverr is an online marketplace where you can sell your services as products. Or you can say that here the sellers, the service providers, kind of open a stall and participate in an exhibition. The customers walk to your stall, look at your display, and when they get convinced with the products, they purchase it. Unlike peopleperhour or guru.com or upwork.com, here you can sell your services for a fixed price. On, for example, upwork.com, you can sell your services on hourly basis. That's a purely service-based platform. What if you just do not want to sell your services on hourly basis and you do not want to get tracked how you consume your time? That's your secret, how you serve the client. So this is the first reason why you should choose Fiverr. The other very important reason is some freelancers, some service providers, some sellers cannot just do the business development talk. They cannot keep sending bids and get them and just see them getting rejected. They cannot run after the clients. Here on this platform, the clients, the customers run after you. They search for you. They look for you. So this is the number 2 reason for choosing Fiverr for your freelancing career. In the coming videos, I will show you the statistics, data, and charts that I have gathered from the publicly available data on Fiverr, that which of the services are most profitable. Okay, here the people are selling different kind of products, as you can see on the screen here, that people are selling their services as products in various industries. For example, graphic designing, digital marketing, writing, video animation, music programming, and tech and business and lifestyle. There are so many others. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching for some amazing stuff to follow. Thank you. See you in the next video.